Hi everyone. It is Wednesday, and basically this is going to be my what I've been up to day, and I'm sharing some cards that came in for Aidan, so that I can go ahead and do the drawing on the 9th, as planned. Just keep in mind that I probably do have others in the mail. I just have not gone to the P.O. box lately. This is from the weekend. I did not go back out so far this week, so this would have come, I believe I picked these up on Saturday or Sunday evening. I can't remember which. So I do need to go back to the P.O. box probably tonight, to pick up the rest of the cards, and I will share with you guys, and then we will do the drawing for the challenge. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a giveaway challenge on my community page, and I'll go ahead and share it again here or below. But I'm going to go ahead and share with you the cards that I received so far. Well, the cards that I received since the last time I had a video. And then also I'm going to share cards that I actually created as well. So the first card that I received, this is from Patti at Life with Patti. You all are probably familiar with Life with Patti. And if you're not, she does crafting, cooking, coloring mainly videos, and then occasional hauls for Dollar Tree. And also she buys a lot of coloring books, so she shares a lot of hauls for her coloring books and what she's up to and her coloring as well. But she did give me a card for Aidan with a bunch of Mickey Mouse theme stickers, and I love them. They're so cute. I'm going to try to open this carefully so that we don't get those all torn up. Hold on. I probably should have done this offline, but I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of this really quick. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then here's the inside. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. She put his name and then all the cute little balloons. Thank you, Patti. I love it. And then these stickers, she had shown us before that she had gotten these, and she had created, some of them I believe she had created with her grandson, so that's cute. And then right here it says get well soon with all the cute little, I think these are Paw Patrol, so that's really cute. And then she included some stickers of Mickey Mouse and Paw Patrol. And then it says, hi Aidan, I'm just sending you a card wishing you a speedy recovery. Your tia loves you so much. I'm sending you some stickers to do whatever you want with. Big hugs and blessings, Patti. Life with Patti. And if anyone does not know this, tia is Spanish for aunt. And so that's really sweet, and he'll understand that. So this is really cute, Patti, and I do think that he will like this. I know that you had stated that it was kind of juvenile, but I think he'll like this a lot. And he loves all the big print and everything, so he'll love this. And I think he'll probably use some of the stickers maybe on his laptop or something. Yeah, thank you so much. These are so cute. And definitely check out Life with Patti if you're not familiar with Patti's channel. I will link these two. Both of these are channels on YouTube, and I'll link both of them below if you are interested in checking them out. And again, it's Life with Patti. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and share this other one with you all. This one actually comes from Life with Mike, and usually most of us are following both of these channels, but if you're not familiar with Life with Mike, he does a prayer and devotion. He does hauls. He does tidbits, like fun. He goes over like good news and tidbits that he sees in the news that he shares with us. And of course, him and his son also do a snack review. It's called Logan's Awesome Snack Review. That's always fun to watch as well. And that usually takes place on Wednesdays now. It used to take place on Tuesdays, but I believe it's taking place on Wednesday evenings. So they probably have one coming on out tonight, in fact. So yeah, definitely check out their channel if you're not familiar. This is Life with Mike. And he also included a card with some cute little stickers. Be yourself, pretty fly, and dig it. That's cute. And this one did kind of open already, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it open the rest of the way. Oh, that's cool. A beach truck. That's neat. I like that. And then he also included some stickers. Cute little dinosaurs. Love it. And then he also included these cool ones. Bright future, you're a blast. So cool, shoot for the stars. These are cute. Very cool. Rock on, superstar, out of this world. And he sent out a cute little, just some sentiment. It says, "Hi, Aidan. I hope you like the stickers. Sorry you're not feeling well. I sure hope you'll be better soon. I know how you feel. I have had Crohn's disease since 1987. I've had lots of operations, but the Lord has been there right by my side every time. He will be there for you too. God bless you, Aidan." Michael Cairns. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. And it is Life with Mike. Thank you so much, Mike. And yes, we do appreciate all the prayer and devotional stuff that you do on your channel. And I know that you've included Aidan a couple of times on that. Thank you so much. He also included a cute little truck sticker there. So we can appreciate that. I love old trucks. My dad used to collect old trucks. So that's kind of special to our heart anyway. But I know that Aidan will love this. Thank you so much. And thank you for keeping him in prayer. And I'm so glad that I do have friends that are so supportive and loving, during these times. So I will definitely forward these off to Aidan as soon as I collect the rest of them. After the 9th, they all are going to get mailed out to Aidan. Thank you guys so much. And thank you for the stickers as well. Definitely check out these two channels that I mentioned, Life with Mike and Life with Patti. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the cards that I've actually been creating. These were kind of like half done already, and I had just kind of set them aside. I had started them, and then I just set them aside, and then finally I just got back to just creating my cards. So this first one here is "You Are Loved." This is stamped, and it's embossed and all of that. And these are old. Majority of this is Stampin' Up. In fact, I think it all is. So there's that, and then I'm just leaving it blank. This could be Valentine's, this could be whatever day. This could be I love you, this could be thinking of you, whatever. So I like it, and this is just old paper and old stamping ink and everything else that I just need to use up. This one I had actually done part of it in club, the Stampin' Up club that I had told you that I used to belong to. We had started this and I never finished it, so I went ahead and finished it up the other day. So there's that, and this was done on that Stamparatus that I shared with you guys before. So that way we were able to make sure that it lined up perfectly, and then we got the blue in there lined up perfectly with the tree, and then we stamped it. So that's how we did that. Well, not tree, whatever, the bouquet. So that's how that got done. And this is the way this opens up. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe we did the same thing with the wreath, just because sometimes it can be very intricate. So sometimes those stamping platforms are very worthwhile when it comes to that sort of thing. And then as you can see here, this is embossed also with like the quilting. I don't believe they have that anymore in Stampin' Up, but they might. Kind of like a quilting looking emboss. Just really pretty, I think. So there's that one. And then this one is a thank you. And this one's really cool. I like the way this is. I don't know why I don't create more of these cards like this, but this is cool because it lifts up like that, and it says, "I appreciate everything you do." And it says thank you right there, and then you can place it like on a desk or something like that. So I think that's really cool. And the way that you create that is you add some of the foam to the bottom of this, so that it'll be kind of sitting upright, so that it'll be sticking up a little bit so that you can actually do that. But isn't that cool? And then Stampin' Up used to have daisy punches, and that's how we created this. And we stamped the daisy, and then we punched it with their punch. I don't know if they still have the daisies, but I know you can probably get daisies, anywhere, or even with dies. So yeah. And then those were Stampin' Up little embellishments as well. So there's that, guys. And I believe that is all that I created. I kind of tried this one, but this one's kind of one of those where I kind of just didn't do. I have PTSD with these cards. They're like a love-hate type thing. I had a hard time lining it up, so it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to. But that's kind of like a window. It created a window into, you can see the birds on the back, inside in the back. But it just didn't line up well, so I can see like right here, there's a mistake there and there. And right here where it should have lined up, it did not. So this is probably going to be one of those that I'll probably just set on my desk to look at. It'll never probably go anywhere. But there's that. The idea of it is cool, but I don't know, I was just having a hard time putting it together. So yeah, that is what I was up to, and I will go ahead and share other items as soon as I can get back on here, hoping to share with you for Fun Card Friday. But if not, I will see you for sure for Sticker Saturday with Crafting Rose. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.